stop. Is your English stuck? Can you not say simple things like, I went to the store or I am happy? Do you feel bad when you try to speak?
No stress. Listen to us. Today, we learn easy words to tell your fun stories. We speak slow. We use simple words. No grammar stress, just fun English.
You need this. Stay with us. If you click away now, you miss the simplest trick for a fun story. Talk English Podcast starts now. Hello, everyone. I am John, and this is Talk English Podcast. I am very happy today. And with me is my friend Ellen. Hello, Ellen.
Hello, John. Hello to all our listeners. I am happy too. I am ready to talk about something funny.
Funny is good. Today, we talk about small, simple mistakes. Things we do every day that make us laugh later. This is good English practice. When you talk about mistakes, you use simple past tense. Our goal today is to learn simple past verbs. My morning was very fast. I went to the store. I bought food, milk, apples, bread. I put them in a big paper bag.
A big bag. Good. Did you buy coffee?
Yes, I bought coffee too. I paid for the food. I walked out of the store very fast. I walked to my car.
Okay. You walked to the car. Then what?
I put the bag in the car. I drove home. I came into my kitchen. I opened the paper bag.
Yes? The food is ready?
But it was the wrong bag. It was not my food.
Wrong bag? What was in the bag?
It was a very big bag of dog food and cat toys. I do not have a dog. I do not have a cat.
No dog food for you. How did you take the wrong bag?
I think my bag and another bag looked the same. The store worker gave me the wrong one. I did not see it. It was a funny mistake.
Oh no. Did you go back to the store?
Yes, I went back. I told the store worker, I have dog food. Where is my bread? They laughed. They gave me my food.
My story is about the bus. It was last Monday. I needed to go to the bank.
The bank. Okay. So you waited for the bus?
Yes, I waited. The bus came. It was big and blue. I got on the bus. I paid the driver.
You got on the bus. All normal.
I sat next to the window. I looked outside. I saw many houses. The bus did not stop at the bank street.
Oh no. The bus went past the bank?
Yes, it went very far. I thought, where am I? I asked the driver, is this bus number 2?
What did he say?
He smiled. He said, no, this is bus number 7.
Bus number 7? That is a big mistake.
Yes, I needed bus 2. I took bus 7. I said, oh no. I got off at the next stop.
Did you see anything funny on bus 7?
Yes, at the next stop, I saw a cat. A big, fat, black cat. The cat was wearing a small red hat.
A cat with a hat. That is very funny. So the wrong bus was not so bad.
No, I was late, but I saw a funny cat. It was a good mistake. I walked back to the bank.
Those are 2 great stories. Thank you, Ellen. Listeners, did you see? We spoke for many minutes. We only used simple words.
Yes, and no perfect grammar needed. It is okay to make a mistake. Mistakes help you learn.
Stop! If you want to learn these words better, we have a special gift. Go to the description box now. You can download the PDF transcript of this show. It has all the words, a fun quiz, and the simple grammar rules. Download it now.
Speaking is the most difficult part for many people. It feels scary. Our stories help you. We talk about this fear more in another video.
Yes, go watch our video, Stop Speaking Fear, One Simple Trick to Start English Small Talk Today. It helps you start talking easily.
Now, listeners, a simple question for you. Tell us in the comments, do you like riding the bus or the car? Write one simple sentence in English.
My friend Alex made a simple mistake last week. It was about food.
Food stories are the best. What did Alex cook?
He wanted to bake a cake, a sweet cake for a party.
Sweet cake. I like sweet cake.
Alex had 2 jars in his kitchen. One jar had sugar. The other jar had salt.
Oh no, I see the problem. The jars looked the same.
Exactly. Alex opened the first jar. He put 4 big spoons in the cake mix. He thought, this is sugar.
But was it sugar?
No, it was salt. He put 4 spoons of salt in the sweet cake.
Oh, salty cake. That is a very big surprise.
He baked the cake. It looked very good. He cut a piece. He took a big bite.
And what did he say?
He said, "Yuck! This is bad." He drank a big glass of water.
Did he tell his friends?
Yes, he told them the story. Everyone laughed a lot. He said, "I must be more careful next time."
My last simple mistake was with a plan. A plan for my weekend.
A weekend plan. Good idea. Did you go somewhere nice?
Yes, I wanted to go to the beach. I called my friend, Sarah. I said, let's go on Saturday.
Saturday is a good day for the beach.
Sarah said, great, let's go early. I agreed. I wrote the date in my book.
Okay, so you woke up early on Saturday.
I did. I woke up very early. I packed my beach bag. I waited for Sarah.
Did she come?
I waited 1 hour. Sarah did not come. I called her. I said, Sarah, are you ready?
What did she say?
She said, Ellen, today is Friday. The beach day is tomorrow. Saturday is tomorrow.
Oh no, you woke up early on the wrong day.
Yes, my plan was for Saturday, but I thought it was Saturday. I woke up on Friday.
That is a funny mistake with the day. You had 2 Saturdays that weekend.
Exactly. I said, okay, I will sleep more tomorrow.
Wow, Ellen, we talked about dog food, bus 7, salty cake, and the wrong day.
And we did it all in easy English. Remember, listeners, simple mistakes are good. They make good stories.
We hope you feel more confident now. It is easy to speak English about your life.
If you like this talk, please subscribe and leave us a comment. Share this episode with your family.
We have one last question for you. Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite day of the week? Write your answer now.
And do not forget, the free PDF transcript, quiz, and grammar sheet is in the description link. Download it today to keep learning.
If you want a fast trick to start speaking, watch this video next. Stop waiting. The 5-minute trick to start English speaking. Build confidence fast.
Thank you for listening to Talk English Podcast. Keep practicing your simple English.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.